Today, I'm diving into CoinStats, the ultimate portfolio tracker that'll make your crypto life a whole lot easier. And don't forget to click the link in the description below to try it out for yourself. Alright, so why do you even need a good portfolio tracker? The crypto market is a roller coaster, with prices skyrocketing one minute and plummeting the next. Keeping track of all your investments manually is not just tedious, but also prone to mistakes. That's where a portfolio tracker like CoinStats comes in handy. CoinStats lets you track all your crypto investments in one neat place. It connects directly to your wallets and exchanges, automatically updating your portfolio with the latest trades and balances. No more manual entries, just link your accounts and watch CoinStats do the magic. But wait, there's more. Beyond just tracking, CoinStats provides in-depth analysis of your portfolio. You can see your profit and loss, dive into your trading history, and even analyze your performance on decentralized exchanges like Uniswap. This is super helpful for spotting trends and making smarter investment decisions. And let's talk alerts. CoinStats helps you stay ahead of the game with its robust alert system. You can set up notifications for price changes, news updates, and more. This means you'll never miss a beat, whether it's an opportunity or a warning sign. React quickly to market movements and stay in control. Now, CoinStats also offers a premium version for those who want to take their tracking to the next level. With CoinStats Premium, you get even more detailed analytics and extra features that can help you maximize your investments. It's definitely worth considering if you're serious about crypto trading. So, is CoinStats the best crypto tracker out there? With its seamless integration, detailed analytics, and robust alert system, it's definitely a strong contender. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, CoinStats can help you make better decisions and keep your investments organized. Ready to give it a try? Click the link in the description below to explore CoinStats and see how it can transform your crypto game. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips and reviews. Until next time, happy trading!